Dan here, Gnarly Chicken. I want to do a quick video on a product that I just received from Tokyo Off-Road. Sure, a lot of you know who he is on YouTube. Mark makes lots of products, and one of them is the tray for the TPI for the pressure sensor and the ambient sensor. This replaces the stock tray. And I also got from him a coupler and new clamps. So you can do one of two things. You can just get the coupler and then modify your own tray, or what I did was I got the coupler and the tray from him. He bores out the hole here, pressure sensor slot. I think it's a 1 mil deep hole, so that the brass fitting sits completely flush inside. So this just sits nice and flush when you put it in, so to ensure that the sensor sits flush. And then it's just a matter of putting on the washer, putting the fastener on, the nut, and then this simply provides a more secure, less flexy inlet for the hose from the crankcase to the pressure sensor. I'm obviously going to do a few things that he recommends. One is blue Loctiting these threads. The other one he suggests in the instructions is to put a little bit of some kind of silicone glue, epoxy on the bottom side of this insert, so it sits and stays in place right here. I'm going to take the other tray out of my bike. I already started taking a few things apart. So I have two of these. I have another one for a buddy's bike, a TX, that I did the same thing to the other day. I'm going to put this tray on his. He knew I was going to do this for mine, so he said go ahead and order from him. It came from Tokyo, Mark's address, in 3 days UPS to Eastern Canada. Really nice packaging, nice bubble tape. Everything was packaged separately, individually. Nice, like really good job, Mark. I just want to put a shout out here on my channel to his channel for great work that he does. And he even gave me a little personal note on the invoice. Take the other tray out, and I want to compare, because I'm not sure if this tray is identical. I'm assuming that it is. It just seems more rigid, but I'll know when I take it out and continue on with the video. When I get everything out and compare them on the bench, I'll get back to you and show you the differences, if there are any. Stock tray, cleaned up, taken out obviously, and Tokyo Off-Road. So I got the sensors in. Put a little epoxy on the back side of this, the bottom side of the brass insert on the inside of the tray. So let that sit for a little while. And then some blue Loctite on these threads. Tighten them down, let them sit while I took this tray out. So I got the sensors in. It's the exact same tray, same stock number. So it's an OEM tray. And it is ready to go back in, so that's what it looks like right there. Take the throttle body out again, and gonna give that a little cleaning. That's the two trays, that's what they look like. Oh, the other thing I did too was I decided to put a little epoxy on the bottom sides of my sensors. Move my bike out of the way. Sensors are made of two parts, so this is one part and then the body. And they're known to, I guess, leak around the surfaces of the body here, and once they leak air, whatever, then no good. I'm anxious to see if this crankcase pressure sensor here, how long it lasts with that epoxy. And then of course with this brass insert. So we'll see. All right, that's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. See it there? There it is. That's better. Nice solid fit. Hose is a little, the tube's a little longer than stock, so the hose has got a little, slightly longer, a little bit of a kink to it, but that should be all right. Just prime my oil pump. Ready to go. That should keep things a little tighter, a little more secure in there. Thanks a lot, Mark. Good job. Tokyo off-road. Just got one more to put in now.